While this latest surge of COVID-19 is leveling off in some parts of the country, here in Austin, we are still in the thick of it, and health officials say it's especially affecting children right now. Joining me now to talk more about this and some other things in the capital city is Austin Mayor Steve Adler. Good morning, Mayor. Thanks so much for joining us today.
It's good to be with you. Thank you.
Thank you. And I know, of course, a big topic today, COVID cases are some of the highest we have seen. And now there are a lot of kids in the hospital in Austin. I know we're still trying to get the vaccine rate up among a lot of the younger children. What message do you have for parents, especially that are begging for more virtual learning options as well?
Well, you know, the school issues are hard, and they need to be dealing with the superintendent and the school board on those. The city's going to do its part by urging people to get vaccinated, urging people to wearing masks. You know, the more we can put down the transmission of this virus, the better protection all of us can give to our children.
Switching gears now, housing affordability is always a hot topic in our city and something we need more of. Bloomberg News first reported that you are considering pushing a bond proposal that would support local housing efforts. Can you explain what the bond would be and what that would look like?
It's really early in conversations about bonds, but it's a conversation we need to start. We did a bond election in 2018 for $250 million. That's enabled us to open up affordable housing projects, to provide support for people to be able to repair their homes, to be able to stay in their homes. We've used some of those dollars to help buy the hotels. We've used to help get people off the street. But that amount of money is running really low, and we have to talk about, as a community, whether we fill that coffin.
There have been reports that Tesla's Gigafactory in Travis County will open any day now. We know parts have already received fire marshal approval. This is going to be, of course, big for Austin's economy. Do you have any word on when production will start?
I don't have any word that you don't have. I think we're all waiting to see that factory open. We're real excited that so many people have gone through the community college programs to train and be able to work there. Those middle skill jobs that don't require a 4-year degree, but you can get a certificate from the community college, exactly the kind of jobs we need in this community. So I'm anxious to see that plant open.
Absolutely. And I know you just came back from a mayor's meeting in D.C., a very eventful weekend. What did you learn that can be brought back here and applied to our area?
Well, I spent a lot of time in Washington working with CISA, which is the federal agency that deals with cybersecurity. The administration has asked for me to serve on an advisory board with them. A lot of time on the compact on racial equity, which was signed by almost 200 mayors. Austin took the lead on that. Cities around the country wanting to learn about what we did with the Mayor's Task Force on Institutional Racism, the $300 million component on displacement that's Project Connect, the summit work we're doing for homelessness to help get people off the streets. This is a compact that we signed together with mayors across the country, everyone pledging to do really specific things to help with racial equity.
And tomorrow is election day for part of Austin. The election, of course, is to fill District 4 seat on the Austin City Council. What message do you have for people this morning, specifically in District 4?
Well, people in District 4 need to vote. I think in early voting, there are less than 2,000 people that have voted altogether. This is to fill a council seat for the next 3 years. And we really do need to have more people voting, more people involved in the election. So I urge everybody in District 4, if you haven't voted yet, this is basically Northeast Austin. If you haven't voted yet, remember to vote tomorrow.